My parents and my close friends could back me up on this, but when I was young, I was obsessed with the game. Anything that had to do with basketball, I had to have. And what I mean by that is just, Street and Smith magazine, which showed you the top ranked players in the nation. Slam magazine, was a little more, had a little more flair to it. They covered street ball guys. And when I was coming up, it was always a VHS street ball tape that was coming out, or inside the NBA, inside stuff, anything that was covering basketball, I had to watch it. And that really helped develop my game. And it kept me focused as well on achieving my goals. I wanted to play college basketball and I wanted to become a pro. So I studied as much as I can because, for one, I was a 6 foot guard, which, is undersized in college or, pros. You don't find many 6 foot guards or any, under that. And as I became a business owner, I started to study other entrepreneurs that I admired. I utilized a lot of things that I learned from basketball and I applied to business. So today I just want to encourage you, with the access and what social media provides for us, if we utilize it properly, it'll help a lot. So, you got YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. On all of those platforms, I'm pretty sure there are 5 entrepreneurs or people in the same field that you're in that you admire. And I encourage you to study them, you know. Do as much research as you can on these individuals because I guarantee it'll help your business as well. So I just want to, hit you with that, man. Be a student of the game is what I used to call it, and being in business is the business game. So just be a student of the game. Find you, some individuals that you like and study on a consistent basis. Even if you just knock out 30, 45 minutes, an hour a day, I guarantee it'll benefit you in the long run. So get your study on.